How to delete blank page in Word. So let's get started. First of all, open up Word in your laptop or PC. So for example, I have created the 3 pages in my Word. Now, in order to delete the blank page, for example, I have this last page as a blank page. So here I have 4 pages. Now to delete this last page, all you have to do is get to that last page. You can move your cursor at the end of this page. Now all you have to do is keep on pressing the backspace key in your keyboard multiple times. And there you can see the last page from my Word has been deleted and I have only 3 pages here. So this was the method 1, to continuously press your backspace key multiple times, which will remove the blank page. Now the method 2 will be navigate to your page where you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this last page again. After you do that, navigate to menu bar at the top of the interface, then go to View. Now from this view, click on Navigation Pane. Now a navigation pane will pop up in your interface in your left hand side. From there, you have to click on Pages. After that, navigate to the page that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this page 3. Then press Ctrl Z in your keyboard. This box will pop up in your interface. Text box, you have to type in \npage. After that, click on Go and then click on Close. Now all you have to do is press the backspace key in your keyboard, and with that the page is again now removed. So that's how you can delete the blank page in your Word, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.